Type double R.
Suspect is still in police custody right now. He's being questioned and has not yet been charged, while the other two men who survived this brutal attack are still at the hospital, I'm told in critical condition. For those who witnessed this horrifying attack, no doubt a sleepless night. The restaurant rampage happened during the dinner rush Tuesday on Emmons Avenue, when suddenly the suspect, who police say was emotionally disturbed, walked in and attacked three men with a hammer. Unprovoked, he first swung at the 60-year-old Seaport Buffet owner and his 50-year-old manager, according to police.
He was just screaming crazy words like, I'm killing everybody, this world is hell and everything. He was just screaming crazy things.
Customers frantically dropped their food and ran for the doors, some hiding at neighboring Randazzo's Clam Bar along the popular waterfront that's packed with restaurants.
Some hiding at neighboring Randazzo's Clam Bar along the popular waterfront that's packed with restaurants.
I actually seen a couple of people running. I thought somebody was getting robbed, and then I heard a guy scream, "Lock the doors, there's a guy with a hammer."
Meantime, the hammer-wielding maniac continued his bloody tirade in the kitchen. The chef, a 34-year-old who lived in the neighborhood, was beaten to death.
When I heard that this happened, I didn't believe that someone got hit with a hammer.
After it was finished, the suspect left the location, but was caught and cuffed by two officers nearby without incident. Police tell me that suspect is from Brooklyn, and he does not have any arrest history and has never been documented for being emotionally disturbed.
Some hiding at neighboring Randazzo's Clam Bar along the popular waterfront that's packed with restaurants. When I heard that this happened, I didn't believe that someone got hit with a hammer.